Welcome to Tax Dosti YouTube Channel, where we break down the world of investing to help you make smarter financial choices. Disclaimer: this is only information, not financial advice. Today, we're exploring the UBL Stock Advantage Fund, a powerful way to grow your wealth through the stock market. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, stick around to learn how this fund could work for you. Hi everyone. Have you ever thought about investing in the stock market, but felt overwhelmed by the idea of picking stocks? Or maybe you're wondering how to make your money grow faster than a savings account? If so, you're in the right place. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to the UBL Stock Advantage Fund, a mutual fund that simplifies stock market investing. Let's dive in. So what exactly is the UBL Stock Advantage Fund? Imagine it as a big basket of stocks. Instead of buying just one company's shares, your money gets spread across a variety of stocks listed on the Pakistan Stock Exchange. This fund is managed by UBL Fund Managers, one of Pakistan's top asset management companies, so you're putting your money in expert hands. But why should you care? Let's talk about the top 3 reasons this fund might be worth considering. First up, professional management. The fund is run by seasoned experts who spend their days researching companies, tracking market trends, and deciding which stocks to buy or sell. You don't need to be a stock market guru. They handle the hard work for you. Second, diversification. By investing in this fund, your money isn't tied to just one stock or sector. It's spread out, which helps lower the risk. Think of it like not putting all your eggs in one basket. If one stock stumbles, others might keep the basket steady. Third, the potential for bigger returns. Over time, stocks have historically outpaced traditional savings accounts. This fund is designed for medium to long-term investors who want growth. Of course, there are risks, but we'll get to those in a moment. Let's paint a picture. Imagine you invested PKR 100,000 in the UBL Stock Advantage Fund 5 years ago. Based on historical trends, your money could have grown significantly by now, that is, by 151%. But here's the catch. Past performance doesn't predict the future, and the market can be a roller coaster. That brings us to the risks. Stock investments can go up-down. You might see gains one year and losses the next. That's why this fund is best for those who can ride out the ups and downs and think long-term. If you're okay with some market fluctuations and have a horizon of at least 3 to 5 years, this fund could be a great fit. But if you need your cash soon or panic when markets dip, you might want to explore safer options. The key is knowing your risk tolerance and goals. Investing isn't one size fits all. Now, how do you invest? It's super easy. You can start with just 5,000 rupees. Head to UBL Fund Manager's website to open an account online or visit a branch. You can invest a lump sum or set up a systematic plan, say 5,000 rupees every month, to build your wealth over time. You might be wondering, is my money safe? No investment is 100% risk-free, but the fund's diversification and expert management aim to reduce risks. Plus, it's regulated by Pakistan's Securities and Exchange Commission for added oversight. Or maybe you're thinking, what if the market crashes? It's a fair concern. Crashes happen, but history shows markets tend to recover over time. Staying invested long-term is often the winning strategy. Before you jump in, do your homework and maybe chat with a financial advisor to see if this fits your plan. Investing is a journey. Patience and discipline can really pay off. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the UBL Stock Advantage Fund, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on growing your money. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to help. Thanks for watching Tax Dosti YouTube channel. Here's to making your money work harder for you. See you next time.